What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you just a quick eye look, actually using a couple products from Bad Habit that I had recently hauled, and I'm sure you've seen this haul prior to this video, but I'm getting ready for church and I love to do hauls, but I also like to show people how I use the products and what I thought of them after the fact. So the two palettes that I am referring to are the Royals by Bad Habit and the Rosé Highlight Collection by Bad Habit. The Royals palette is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, which I'm sure everybody knows about already. But unfortunately, in my actual palette, one of my colors got broken, and so I thought I'll try this cheaper dupe and see if it is comparable, and if so, then I just saved myself about 30 bucks. And this came in a bundle deal from Hesh with this highlighter palette. So I thought I would use both of them today. I am going to kind of fast forward through the actual work part of the eye look, but I did want to show you what I'm applying as far as highlighter is concerned. These are super gorgeous, but the one that really gets me is this one right here called Cheers, and it's just kind of a pinky champagne color, and that is what I'm going to put on my cheeks right now. I'm using my Smashbox fan brush. Now let me see, I probably should zoom you in a bit. There we go. Let's see how this works. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks a lot more golden than I expected it to. But it's pretty. Super blinding. It's amazing what these lights do to actually show you guys the reflectivity of it. Super bright, yeah. And it always surprises me that highlighters look so dark in the pan. It's like once you get them on your skin and they get some warmth and a little bit of circular motion with your fan brush, they really, the pearlescent part of it comes out. I'm still trying to perfect using a hand mirror so that I can see whilst not covering up my camera or my view for you guys. So I'll get it all figured out. Ooh, yeah. This is super, super bright. So I'm gonna take my brush that I had my powder on and kind of go back over and chill this out just a tad. Let it all kind of melt together, the blush and the bronzer and everything. Woo! I'm glowing, folks. So if you are wondering if these were good highlighters, yes. And I've never used any Bad Habit highlighters that I can remember prior to today. That's why I was kind of excited it was a bundle deal. I'm gonna set all this stuff down. I'm going to use my Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in coconut. It's like I probably only need 4 or 5 spritzes, but I do like 12, 15. This fan or this mirror is also really good for fanning off your setting spray. Good gravy, you guys. But do you see the glowness that's happening? Whew. The only thing that I did want to show you that whenever I was going in with my brush, it did kind of kick up product all over the place. That doesn't bother me, but I like to let people know that. Let's get in here and get it really good and dry so I can move on. I've got about 20 minutes to get this eye look put together. So as per usual, I'm in a rush. So I'm gonna fast forward through this, but I am going to, on my editing process, I will show you the colors that I'm using in the Royals palette. I don't really know what I'm doing actually. I found a ColourPop shadow called Prickly Pear, and because my friend Danny from Down South with Danny, that's her channel, I'll link her up there. she was showing some of her ColourPop shadows. I thought, man, I haven't touched these in a long time. I was so obsessed with them for a long time. And so I want to use this today. And I thought this color called Prickly Pear. I'll show it to you. I just thought that it matched up well with what's going on in this palette. So, let's get after it. Well guys, they perform beautifully. I'm super happy with the look. I do really love this. I also use this highlighter in my inner corner, and if I didn't say so, I'm sure I did. This is the Prickly Pear. And so I am going to go off camera and put on some liner, mascara, and lashes, and we'll come back together to do the lippy together before I have to get out of here. Alright guys, I think it turned out super gorgeous. I haven't finished up my eyes yet, but I will. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the lippy that I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Melrose Place, and I'm going to use Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Androgyny. Love these lip pencils, they are so creamy. Now Androgyny. And yes, I know I went out of frame. Guys, I get one thing fixed and then there's another one. So I'm going to very quickly just combine my falsies with my natural lashes. Very simple. I don't see any lash glue, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to very quickly go over my lash band with the liquid liner. Just in case. And then I am once again going to set my face. Deliciousness. Love that Slay All Day spray. And the crazy thing is I love it so much, and on my last order I forgot to get more. And I want to try like 15 different flavors, and I forget. Alright, I am going to get dressed, do something with my hair, and I will be back to show you the wonderfulness of this final look. Alright guys, I haven't straightened my hair in a long time. I kind of like it. Alright, so I really like how this look ended up. I really like the color pop on the lids. I think it's super beautiful. The highlight, really super gorgeous. But I have to get out of here. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. I did find some ColourPop shadows that I haven't used in a long time, and the reason for this is my friend Danny from Down South with Danny. I did find some ColourPop. Whoa!